Alrighty, I'm going to go over in today's video about all the amazing opportunities that you as a family or a person have to save a ton of money in the 2022 season at Canada's Wonderland. Wonderland has an amazing promo and deal going on that isn't necessarily being talked about, and I know a lot of the enthusiasts know about it, but I know I have a lot of general public that watch my videos that don't know too much about Wonderland, and I'm here to help you. So for any of you that have a 2021 season pass, or you got a season pass in 2020, your season pass, if you do not know, is actually good until Labor Day 2022, including its drink plans, fast lane, meal plans, anything you have on there, including parking. It's good until 2022, Labor Day. Now, the reason it ends Labor Day, a lot of you may be asking, is Wonderland always runs these amazing promos around Labor Day when they announce their new attractions. If you haven't noticed, Wonderland will announce a new attraction or experience, and they put season passes on sale. And if you buy a season pass around the Labor Day, you actually are able to get into the park for the remainder of the season. So if you buy your 2023 season pass at the end of 2022 around Labor Day, you'll be able to get in for the remainder of 2022. Wonderland does a lot of promos that they don't get a lot of recognition for. In fact, it has upset me a bit, the amount of negative attention that people have been giving Wonderland for how they're opening this season. And a lot of these people don't realize that if you buy a season pass right now and any add-ons, it's good until Labor Day next year. Not many businesses are honoring stuff like that, and the company that owns Canada's Wonderland has done a tremendous job in providing their guests at their parks that were shut down during COVID with all these added bonuses. I really don't see how anyone could be disappointed in the season pass honors program, or whatever you want to call it, the gift that they've given you for something that's been out of their control and completely not their fault. So again, your season pass is good until the Labor Day 2022. If you have a meal plan, drink plan, fast lane, all season fast lane, which is $450 right now, $50 on sale, or all season parking, it's good until Labor Day 2022. So my suggestion to you is to go to guest services or add it onto your pass. Any of those, if you don't have them, if you don't have the meal plan, now's the time to get it. You're going to get so much use out of it. And with Wonderland potentially, most probably for sure, upping their capacity this Friday coming, you're going to get really good use out of anything that you add on. The park is almost going to be back to normal, starting this Friday. And then hopefully sometime around August 6th, it'll be back to normal. And those season pass benefits that you're adding on right now will be amazing. So I'm hoping I can help any families that are watching this channel right now truly get those benefits out there. Unfortunately, the payment plan program that Cedar Fair, that owns Canada's Wonderland, normally runs at their parks is currently down at all their parks. We don't know when it's going to return. I'll try and get an answer from Canada's Wonderland, but they may not know themselves. Sometimes this is like an executive decision, and it probably will return around Labor Day 2022 or even at the beginning of 2022. So that would be my guess for the payment plan for anyone asking about that, but that is coming as an assumption. Again, I would try and contact Wonderland to get the proper answer. I will see if I can reach out to someone from Wonderland and get an answer on that as well. Just because someone reached out and asked, I have a family of 9, and normally we put our season passes on a payment plan, but this year we can't, and it's almost virtually impossible to get the season passes that we normally do with the drink plans and meal plans and be able to pay them. And that's a very valid question, and a lot of families in Canada and around the world right now are probably asking the same thing and questions about visiting or even just regionally traveling, because a lot of people are going to have to travel regionally versus across a country, because a lot of people may not have the money they normally have due to COVID. But nonetheless, if you have any questions about any season pass promos, any discounts, any questions or advice you want, please comment down below. I will do my best to help you. Again, I just want to help. I don't know why I had to pause to think about that. I was, I guess, looking. Anyone that has followed my channel for a while knows that I rant and ramble, sometimes too much. But yeah, anyways, that's an amazing deal. I wanted to let anyone watching this channel know that, because we were getting a lot of DMs being like, oh, like, I didn't know that it was good until 2022. So I just wanted to get the message out there, because I know enthusiasts know, but I want to make sure anyone watching my channel knows that, because that's an amazing deal. And if you don't have the meal plan or drink plan, get it. It's a really good deal. Impossible to pass up. Even the Fastlane is such a good deal for those that don't like waiting in line. $450 for a year and a half of Fastlane. It's good during Halloween Haunt as well, that we're hearing. So yeah, definitely, if you're gonna do it though, double check when you do it that it is good until the Labor Day 2022. But we've been told by a lot of people at the park that it is. So again, take advantage of it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you had an amazing Monday, and that your Tuesday's going well. And yeah, thanks for watching, and have a good one, guys. Bye.